sneak peek time. Have you ever worked in Brizy and while you are working you have to go into more settings? And when you open the more settings sidebar, it overlaps the content you are working on. Can be very frustrating, right? Well, the team has cooked up something that you're really going to enjoy. A lockable sidebar for the more settings as well, right? Or left? Let's have a look. This feature is not available in Brizy yet, it's a sneak peek, but we just want to whet your appetite for what's in the works. To know more about what we are doing and what we'll be rolling out, make sure you subscribe here to our YouTube channel. Also join the community on Facebook and visit us at brizy.io.